Hi, good afternoon, students. Now in the class start panel. So last week, can you people hear me, right? So you people can hear me, right? I think so. My audio is better with you people. Just give me a second. I will share my screen. Yeah. Student. Okay. So last week we saw in computer introduction. Okay, so இதுவரைக்கும் நான் படிச்சோம் last computer storage, data storage, computer hardware input and output of hardware elements, right? So today we'll see a small thing where I'll share my screen for you people. Okay. I will share the screen. Okay. Okay, so today, wait a minute. Okay, so today we'll share it. Okay. We have official. One minute, students. Give me a second. Okay, wait. So today we'll start the lesson. We start on the internet and email. Okay. So internet and email. So now internet and email. Now internet na enna. So internet කියන්නේ මොනවාද? නැත්නම් internet ඉඳ එන්නன்னு சொல்லணுமா? What is internet? Can you people say me? What is internet? So internet என்ன கொஞ்சம் சொல்லணும். So internet வந்து it's a global system where is interconnected computer network that use internet protocols. So because normally the internet or worldwide web, right? So எல்லா computers உலகத்துல இருக்கிற end-to-end computers எல்லாத்துலயும் வந்து connect ஆகுறது தான் வந்து internet சொல்றது. Okay, so you can take as this as a preference. The internet is the global system of interconnected computer networks that use the internet protocol, so like TCP, IP. Okay, so to communicate between networks and devices. So you can see, students, the mostly because of this internet only, I am teaching you people, right? So here we have 7 students, right? 6 to 7 students, right? So all of you are connected to one local network, right, in the Zoom. So because your devices are connected to my device, that's why you can see my lessons, right, the lectures. That's why I call internet. The internet is the global system, interconnected computer network that uses the internet protocol, right? So you can write it down. Is there any healthy? Right? Just write it down. Okay. Okay, so if you are finished writing, we'll go to the next slide. So we'll have a small introduction to internet. Okay, so introduction to internet, right? It allows exchange of information. Okay, information between two or more computers on a network. Okay, okay. The internet is a global wide area network that connects computer systems across the world. It includes several high bandwidth, okay, data lines that compares the internet backbones. Okay, so now you can see it allows exchange of information. So now I want the Zoom class, right? So because it allows you, so you are somewhere, I am in somewhere, right? So two of our computers are connected together in one network. How it is through Zoom, right? So through Zoom with one network, it is connected, right? So other best example, best example where it allows to exchange information between two or more computers. The internet is a global wide area network. So yeah, the world wide web wide area network the concept the internet world. So it includes several high bandwidth data lines. So data lines are the main bandwidth of internet. Okay, so you can write it down. Okay, if you finish writing this, you can say me. Okay. Okay. So next we can see that in same introduction. So here these lines are connected to major internet hubs that are distributed data to other locations such as web server. So now pona class la padicham web server in right. So web server pona class la padicham web server in right. So sorry டேட்டாஸை ஸ்டோர் பண்ணி வைக்கிற ஒரு லொகேஷன்ல இருந்து இன்னொரு லொகேஷனுக்கு டேட்டாஸை எடுத்துட்டு போயிடும் டேட்டா லைன்ஸால internet hubs, right? So in order to connect the internet, you must have access to an internet service provider. So to the internet service provider means like dialog, like SLT, அவங்க தான் வந்து உங்களோட internet service provider. because அவங்களால தான் வந்து நீங்க வேர்ல்ட் வைட் வெப்புக்கு வந்து connect ஆகிக்கிறீங்க, right? So because of them only you are connected to world wide web. So if I ask a question, so whether internet is free or not, what you will guys say? So internet, children, internet is free. Okay, so in the world we are not paying for the internet. Internet is free, but we are paying for the internet service provider, so who supplies data. For him only we are paying. Okay, but the internet is free for all. Okay, whoever can use internet. Internet is free for all. Okay, that is referring here. So we are paying for only for the internet service provider, not for the internet. Okay, so if your people are finished writing, just say me. Middleman is something where where a person who is in the, so now for example students, now I am teaching. Okay, you are the second person who are listening to me. So in that, in middle there will be a person who is listening to us. That's why we call the hacker. So the Suleiha Ali, yeah, Suhaila Ali is asking, so what is meant by middleman? So middleman is mostly, so you can see in the WhatsApp, Viber, in this type of social media platforms, they are the always they will say end-to-end encryptions, right? So one person to one person encryption. So the who are breaking that encryption and listening to your data are called middlemen, right? Okay, in the internet. So if we take the history of internet, so இப்போ நாங்கள் வந்து history of internet எடுத்துக்கிட்டா, long before the technology existed to actually to build the internet, many scientists had already existing the worldwide network of information. So the person who gave an idea, so he had an idea of wireless system, world wireless system. Okay, so Nikola Tesla with the idea of a world wireless system in early 90s, and these two were, so I have mentioned some histories here, how the internet came, right, to the world. Okay, so you can take this one, write it down. Please write it down, students. So you people are asking notes, right? Only notes the notes and எழுதிக்கோங்க. Okay. Okay. So next is also same internet. History of internet. So today we'll see how internet. So how internet became to the how internet came to the world, and okay, the first workable prototype okay of the internet came in the late 1960s with the creations of ARPANET, so Advanced Research Project Agency Network. So these people are the first company who made the internet to so from here from Kennedy to Colombo to work. So like that. So originally funded by the US Department of Defense. So firstly, the internet was used for military purposes. Okay. So after that only it was widely popular worldwide. Okay. Okay. So next, if your people are finished writing, so now Pakam, the technology continued to grow. So 1970s after side, so these are the things. 1960. So 1960 after the 1970, the internet became popular. So ரெண்டு scientists சேர்ந்து Robert Kahn and Bidan Survey இவங்க ரெண்டு பேரும் சேர்ந்து TCP and IP ன்னு சொல்ற communication model they set standard how data could be transmitted between multiple networks. So இவங்க இதை கண்டுபிடிச்சோன்னு தான் வந்து இன்டர்நெட் வந்து வேர்ல்ட் வைடா பாப்புலர் ஆகினது. Right? So internet got popular after they introduced IP and TCP. Okay. So you can write it down this too. So I'm giving time you people to write it down. Okay. Hello, can you hear me? You can hear me, right? Only one is internet based. So you people, if you are finished writing, just say me. So if you all need your notes, so I'll put my WhatsApp contact number, so you can note it down. This, so you can ask. Okay, you can ask for notes. Okay. Okay. So, the main stages of development of internet. Okay. So, இதை பார்க்கலாம் from 1996 to 2012. எப்படி websites, internet world introduce ஆயினது, right? So you can see. So you main thing you can write it down. This one. Okay, soon, please students, you can write it down. Please. Wait, give me a second. Okay. Finish writing, students. So today you people are few people, right? So next you can see is the main stages of development of the internet. So that same thing. So the advantage of internet, okay, information, knowledge and learning. Okay, so information, knowledge, learning means students. So now what we are doing? So we are sharing our information. I am sharing my informations, right, with you people and the knowledge, right? So through internet we are studying, right? Through internet we are studying. That's called information and knowledge and learning. So சரி நாங்க வந்து இன்டர்நெட்ல மூலியமா தான் இப்ப நாலேஜையும் இன்ஃபர்மேஷன்ஸ் சரியா லேர்னும் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கிறோம் ஜூம் ஆப் மூலியமா இல்லையா அதுதான் ஒரு அட்வான்டேஜ் ஸோ கனெக்டிவிட்டி communications and sharing. So connectivity, communication, sharing now, for example, so now we are using WhatsApp, Facebook, and these kind of things, right? So இதெல்லாம் வந்து ஒரு connectivity, right? So ஸோ முந்தி காலத்துல ஆக்கள் வந்து ஒரு லெட்டர் அனுப்பணும், போஸ்ட் அனுப்பணும், அப்படித்தானே கம்யூனிகேட் பண்ணிட்டாங்க. பட் ஹியர் இன்டர்நெட் வந்தோன்னா வந்து connectivity, communications and sharing வந்து ஈஸி ஆயிடுச்சு. And address mapping and contact information. So அதுவும் very easy. So banking, billing, shopping, selling and making money, internet வந்தோடனே இதெல்லாம் work from home உங்களுக்கு எல்லாம் லேசி ஆயிடுச்சு இல்லையா? ஒரு இடத்துல உட்கார்ந்துகிட்டு you can earn, you can sell, okay? So you can do this kind of things. That's why I call banking, billing, shopping, selling and making money ன்னு சொல்றது அதுக்கு தான், right? So the advantages எழுதிக்கோங்க, right? Okay, so next the one by one up so yeah, information, knowledge and learning, right? So internet contains an endless supply of knowledge and information that allows you to learn about almost any topic or questions you may have. So the internet சுடித்தான் வந்து எந்த கொஸ்டின் ஆனாலும் கூகுள்ல போயிட்டு ஒரு அந்த கொஸ்டின்ஸை டைப் பண்ணினா அதுக்கு ஆன்சர் ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா வந்துடும், ரைட்? ஈவன் ஸ்கூல் ஒர்க்கா இருந்தாலும் சரி, உங்களோட ஹையர் எஜுகேஷன்ஸ் ஒர்க்கா இருந்தாலும் சரி, குக்கிங் ஆனாலும் சரி, யூடியூப்ல போனா உடனே ஒரு டைப் பண்ணினா உடனே வந்துடும், ரைட்? So that's called information knowledge in internet after the use of. Okay. So next thing is the connectivity and communication and sharing. So you can take it down. So I was saying, right? So why we are using connectivity, communications, and sharing. Okay. So I'm giving some times because you people are writing, right? So you can write it down. Soon write it down. If you are finished writing, just say me. So on. Okay. So another thing, other this one is the internet and www. So www means worldwide. So the worldwide. So these are the world wide web. So this is the full format of www. This one. Okay. The internet is a global network of networks, while the webs allow referred formally as World Wide Web. Is a collection of information which is accessed via the internet. Okay. Okay, please soon write it down. Okay. So next we'll see address mapping and contact information. So these are the things we are we use in Google Maps, right? We have to find location in Loporam, Inga Varam, Ellam Soladu on the Google Map, right? So through using internet, we can find them very easy, right? Without asking with anyone. Okay. Okay. So today for now we have learned introduction to internet and history. We have learned under these categories, right? Okay, so we have finished what is internet. We saw what is, so first we saw what is internet, right? And how internet are connected. What is internet? And internet is a global system of integrated computer network that use the internet protocol also. And we saw the introduction to internet. Okay, introduction to internet. Okay, so introduction to internet and history of internet. So how the progress, the main stages and development of internet. Okay, so advantage of internet. So under advantage, we saw some briefly. We saw what are the advantages, right? For today, we have learned this, and also students, we have another one. You can see, right? We'll see. So now use of internet. So now we saw what is internet. Okay, so what is internet? Introduction of internet. So why we use internet? What is the advantage of internet? We saw, right? Okay. So now we see use of internet. So can you people say some use of internet? Use of internet. Can you say some use of internet? Why do we use? So now previously of research, we said something, right? So something finding information, so searching things. Yeah. So rather searching things, finding information. So we have some specific usage. So usage of internet. Okay, internet is a global system that can be used for sharing information, providing worldwide service, communications, daily update are easily initially available in the internet. So உங்களுக்கெல்லாம் என்னென்ன அப்டேட் வேணுமோ குயிக்காக கிடைக்குது இல்லையா? முந்தி மாதிரி லேட் ஆகிடுக்க தேவையில்லை. நெக்ஸ்ட் செகண்ட்ஸ் வாட் ஆர் த அப்டேட் ஜஸ்ட் யூ நீட் இஃப் யூ கனெக்ட் இன்டர்நெட்டை கனெக்ட் பண்ணினால் வந்து ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா உங்களுக்கு வந்து எல்லாம் கிடைக்கும், ரைட்? இன்டர்நெட் சர்வீசஸ். யா, குட். Just give me a second, students. I'll come. Write it down. Okay, students. Okay, so next under that same thing, we'll have the internet service. Okay, so huge amount. So under that same thing, you can write it down. So where we can share graphics, sounds, software over the internet also, right? Okay, finish writing. Okay. Okay. Finish writing, students. Okay, so under usage of internet, we can divide certain things. Okay, so internet service. So under that communication service, information travel service, web service, and World Wide Web. So we can divide the service into 4 categories. Okay. So you can draw this table. Okay, right. So finish drawing, right? So next, the usage. So first we'll see the communication service. Okay. So there are various communication service available that offer exchange of information with individual groups. So first one, முதலாவது எடுத்துக்கொள்ளையிலும் electronic mails, used to send electronic message over the internet. So that's called email. So normally we say email, right? So that's called electronic full format, right? So telnet and news groups. So these are the communication service that we use. Okay, please இதை எழுதிட்டு டேபிள ட்ரா பண்ணிக்கோங்க. ஓகே. Okay, students. So for today, we'll wind up the session. Okay. So for today, we'll wind up the session. Okay, students, did you people understand what is communications? What is IT? What is internet? What is use of internet? Sorry, students. What is use of internet and what is internet? Did you people understand? Or students? Okay, students. So most of you people are asking these notes in the PDF format. So I will send it to Pavitra. Okay, so I have shared my contact number also. Yeah, I will share with you all. No problem. Yeah, if you want, you can ask. If not, I'll share. Okay, thanks. You can wind up the sessions.